I'm well aware of the huge amount of trading information out there, and most of that is actually not very useful. You might want to cut through all of that so you can focus on your trader development. That might save you many years in searching for the holy grail system out there. I hear repeatedly that futures trading is for the big guys with the big accounts, and that futures trading is too risky a market and too complicated to trade. Well, I know there is this fear of the unknown around futures. However, this fear keeps you away from where some of the world's best traders go to create immense wealth and consistent profits for themselves. I can assure you, futures trading is the most effective and flexible trading vehicle you can find out there. Why is it a big edge to trade futures? Well, you can trade a wide range of different asset classes in more than 11 different time frames, from small, maybe a 1-minute chart, up to a weekly or a monthly chart. Being a nearly 24-hour market, it can be traded from anywhere in the world at any time of the day. And I repeatedly do so as I live on different continents at certain times of the year. Due to the huge liquidity, your transaction costs are very low, allowing to trade as well the very low time frames. For example, the 5-second chart or the 15-second chart. I like those time frames to find a very, very tight stop entry and then swing trade it. And you can go long and short at any time in this fully regulated market, capturing the opportunities as they occur. Trading the visual price patterns is fun, and they do come up repeatedly in any time frame as they represent great low-risk trading ideas. Check out my article on the top 10 reasons to trade futures. See link below in video description. Do you want to learn about futures and the low-risk price patterns I trade? Or register now. You actually have nothing to lose. Why? Attending the workshop, you get a 100% money-back guarantee at the end of day 1, no questions asked. The workshop represents a free trade for you with lots of upside potential, and the risk, well, this is on my side, which I'm more than happy to cover. Looking forward to meeting you soon.